Good morning, everyone, and welcome to our free YouTube video for the day. And the topic for today is gold a buy? We saw in the past a big run on gold. It recently pulled back, but now the big question is if it's time to buy gold, yes or no. So let's look into the charts and see overall on the markets where we stand. Looking for example, and starting with the SP 500, and we are going into gold in a couple of minutes. So looking for SP 500, for example, we are above all the key moving average. One of the things that I usually like to do is take price out of the equation. And if you look into the only for the moving average, what we see that the 8-day moving average cross above the 21-day moving average. So very bullish right now, and it's above all the key moving average, and price is above all the key moving average also. So very nice bullish action here on SP 500, and making higher highs, higher lows. So if you compare this morning 34.60 higher high versus 34.19, it's above the 821 day moving average, 50-day moving average, so keeping the bull case intact. But we are getting extended from the 821 day moving average. We can pull back in next couple of sessions, so play your risk wisely. Another one, it's Dow Jones, also very nice bullish activity here, and same thing as SP 500, taking out price, looking only for the moving average, bull cross here on the 8 above 21 day moving average, price above all the key moving average also, and printing higher highs, higher lows. So we need the next one, we need to see if we are going back above 29,200 on Dow Jones, for example, to continue and resume the bull trend. That's something to monitor. But we have here a concern, and one of the concerns right now, it's Nasdaq. Nasdaq was on the past the big outperformer from this bull run and this bull market run since March, but right now is lagging. Okay, so we seeing small caps outperform, we see Dow Jones outperform, but sorry, but Nasdaq is lagging. It didn't break yet above 11,600, and that's the big level that I will be looking. So looking and exactly the same thing, looking for the only for the price, and looking only for the moving average. Yes, we have a bull cross here, and the slopes are all pointing higher, and the price is above all the key moving average, so very bullish also. But we need price confirmation. We need to break above 11,605. If we break above 11,605, we can go bullish. But we are here playing on a tight range. We are above the 50-day moving average, but we are not breaking the 11,600 area. So the range is getting tight. When I'll become bearish, if we break below 11,200, we can go back into 10,600. That's the last support. If we break above 11,600, we can go back into 12K. That's something that I'll be monitoring. And why the reason for me to calling for and looking for gold? Because the big outperformer this morning is gold right now. It's up more than 1%, and it's right at the resistance line. So what I'll be looking next, possible resume back up. You see that gold the big outperform on July, and what I'll be looking is if we are able to regain some momentum here on gold going forward. We hit right now, and if we are going back into the history, I have here this color line. Okay, that's a moving average that I'm using. If you see, every time the gold pull back into this support line, it resume back up. We have a move into 200-day moving average in the past, yes, but that was bought very fast and pushed back, and with a slingshot back up. Right now we hit my support line very well here at 1851, 1860. So right now we are on bouncing from an important support line. That's my support line right here, this moving average that I have. So when I'll become bullish on the stock, right now what we see that gold is trying to print a higher low. what we need a break above 90.27. Okay, so right now on the pre-market we hit 90.22. If we go and break above 90.27, we are making higher lows and we start making higher highs, and from there we can regain the momentum, try to regain the momentum, and see if gold is back above 2000. Okay, 2k, but we need to see it. So gold going for next couple of sessions will be one of the names that I will be looking for possible upside. When I'll become bearish if gold breaks below my support line, my moving average here, right now sitting at 1865, and if it goes below 1851, I'll be extremely bearish on gold, looking for a pullback into 70.68. But right now what I'm be looking, and seems that setup is coiling, we need a trigger. The trigger needs above 90.27 right now, hitting the resistance line. Let's see if it's able to break higher in next couple of sessions. So gold, it will be one of the names that I'll be looking for. And for those that are asking for possible alternatives to gold futures, you have, and that's one of the names that yesterday also saw some bullish options activity. It was a big outperformer yesterday, Yaman Gold, AUY, and also bouncing from the my support line, making higher lows. Okay, making higher lows. Now what? Now we need a break above $6. If the stock breaks above $6, can resume back into $6.4, $6.5 area. That's the next big level. So keep it on your watch. And we have gold ETF also making higher lows. Okay, gold ETF. Sorry, not this one. Let's see if I can push here. Gold ETF. Let me see. Gold ETF. Gold. Okay, gold. And where we stand here on gold, exactly at the same support line. Here, my moving average for gold, right now sitting at $27. It's last time that it hit this moving average, it bounced. Okay, start making higher lows and reverse back up. And right now we are seeing here a double bottom from on gold ETF. Around $26, $27, needs to break higher. What will be the breakout point? 28.74. So what I want you to do is to keep gold as possible breakout, but we need to see it. We need price. Look for gold futures. If we break above 90.27, and if we go and stay above 90.27, that can be a good outperformer going forward. We are going into elections. We are going to the end of the year. No one really knows what the hell is going to happen on the elections into the end of the year. So we can see some hedging, and one of the ways for a possible hedging can be via gold. So keep it open-minded. Okay, of course Fed can come and change the game, and gold can plummet. But for gold to plummet, we need also to see gold breaking below 1851, and that's when I'll become extremely aggressive for playing downside here on gold, going into 70.68. But once again, we need to see it. So stay upon my making higher lows. The logical say, if we going for a bull case scenario, we need to take out 90.27. That will be the bull trigger. Okay, so hope this video helps you. Wish you all a great trading. If you like, please give me a like on this video. Subscribe to the channel. Turn notifications on here on the free YouTube channel to be notified on the next videos that I'm releasing from Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. I usually release every single day a video to try to help everyone the best way I can. It's very tricky and very risky, and it's impossible to anticipate what the hell is going to happen next, but trying to combine some technical analysis with the options activity that I see overall on the market. I try to combine both and try to help the traders the best I can. Okay, so thank you all for watching. Don't miss the next episode and stay safe, everyone. Bye bye, see you.